This stunning residence is a prime example of contemporary architecture in perfect harmony with nature. The front facade draws attention with its sleek lines, warm wood slats, and timeless brick accents. A hidden garage door is seamlessly integrated into the design, preserving the clean and sophisticated aesthetic. Curved elements along the upper level add elegance and flow, enhancing the home's modern appeal. Vertical windows at the front, particularly in the office, invite beautiful lines of sunlight to dance across the interior, while additional windows at the top bring in even more natural light. At the front, meticulously planned landscaping enhances the architecture, blending the built environment with nature. Moving towards the backyard, the design extends seamlessly into the outdoors. The walkout basement connects directly to the backyard, creating a perfect flow. The spacious terrace is complemented by a wood ceiling and greenery above the built-in barbecue, offering a serene space for relaxation and entertainment. A standout feature is the brise soleil system at the rear window, providing both shading and privacy while contributing to the home's dynamic architectural presence. These horizontal slats effectively regulate sunlight, ensuring comfort and energy efficiency throughout the year. This residence combines contemporary design with the tranquility of nature, offering a luxurious retreat where every detail is thoughtfully considered.